see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit. If they hit a base hit or a home run, sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits. But at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we just want to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
Hey, what's up everybody? Kaler here with Elite Trading Pre-Market Prep coming to you live. We are ready to go, rocking and rolling, excited to have you guys in here. We're looking at this choppy market. We've been watching AMC, we've been watching the GME rise. The GME comes out with their report, they get crushed, and we want to talk about a little bit of what's going on in the market and where we see our trade ideas going in the future, talking LVS, talking the Mara trade. We are talking all the new stuff that's coming out and future ideas for the next few weeks. Keep in mind, we are not here to give you stock advice and telling you where to invest your money, because investing is very risky and can have high risk, especially into options trading, which is what we try to primarily talk about here. So smash that like, hit that share, and let's get you right over to the charts today and talk about what we see going on. All right, so we were just in watching the Benzinga pre-market prep like we always do. And the reason why we watch that is because we like to get insight from all different types of groups. We like to get the insight from different areas. Another one I like to use is TradeNet. If you want to check out their stream, they have a great stream. They stream live all day long. I'm not representing them in any way, or Benzinga, but they are people that we use and people that I follow myself. So hopefully you like what's going on in the market lately. Hopefully you're doing well. You haven't been getting hurt too badly. And if you're in the options trading market, it's been pretty volatile. So you've had a chance to make some money on the upside and the downside. I will clean up these charts for you just a little bit. We are seeing that TSP raping and raving. I saw it from Happy Muhammad in the Benzinga chat. Saw that he actually asked about this one. So this is a symbol that I've never heard of, so never talked about. So I will jump in and just immediately look at it and say, you know what, you're on a major uptrend. Wish I would have bought on 6, 7, 3 days ago. 3 days ago was your move at $38. You're up $10 from there. I'd like to see a 50% retracement, somewhere in the range of probably right here is what I see, 43. From 38 to 48. And then I go to the middle. So what's the middle of 38 and 48? You know, you're basically looking at a roughly $10 move. So 43 range is what I'm thinking on this one. So watch out for that 43 range. If it hits there and gets some support, then possibly you'll get a nice consolidation here. Down on that. Don't really know what they do. They're brief. Let's see what the brief is on them. Let's talk about them a little bit. Industry, they are in technology equipment, integrated hardware and software. All right. News. Alibaba develops self-driving trucks with logistics unit. 75 biggest movers from yesterday. Truck. All on Benzinga, CNBC. They're talking about them. Took that little dip this morning, came to the green, up $1.33.33%. I don't know how to call this one. We've said we think we're going to get the rip and then the dip, but the dip has been not as rewarding as the rip on SPY. We called out the 419 puts for mid-July, and you know they might be getting a run here eventually, and we'll see how that works out. Make sure you guys hit that like for me, smash it, kick it, punching, and let me know what's going on. I talked to the cable company again. They said that we're streaming perfectly, but I see right now I have 2 errors right here. It says dropped frames 25% over the last 2 minutes, 25% 4 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, a few seconds ago. So we're dropping frame rate, and I don't like it. Does not make me happy in one bit. Let's talk the LVS trade. Pulled up MGM, sorry. LVS trade. 55.25.16. So you're up 16 cents, less than 0.5% this morning. It is still trending lower. It has not caught that support that we wanted. We wanted to see a stronger support yesterday at the 55, but we'll see if it catches today. Here's your 54.65 is what I'd look out for. If it hits that 54.65, look out for future more downside. We wanted to hold this area big time. We need to hold here and break past and get back up through this move right in here. So let's go to, what do we got for the future on this? We said 55-hour strikes for September. Price target $60. Put you $5 in the money for an LVS. Comment in there because no one ever does, and I just want to because I don't like that it doesn't have any love in there in the chat. No love in the chat from us here at Elite Trading. Been doing this now for almost 2 years. If you can go back and take a look at all the stuff that we've been for the last few years that we've spent, free trainings, all available on the Elite Trading Discord server, or you can go to the YouTube channel and get you some videos that we've posted there as well. Let's AL. Take off your indicators. To up 4%, almost 1% this morning. Airline, see if AAL is riding that wave as well. They are up 1.22%. You know, maybe they get a little bit of a pop today, reopening trade back on, taking a fade from that last couple moves that it's made. So watching that reopening trade as well. Talk AMC. AMC. Look at this one. $50. So you got, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these came through these right here, but still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 since then, right around 50. You're at $1.84 underneath there now. Negative from the close at 49.34. So you know, you got a downside to 35 and upside to 70. So you're right there in the middle, trading right in the middle of the range. Let's see what happens with AMC in the future. I'd like to see it break above 54.12 and then go to 61.56 and then possibly reach out for that 68. If it breaks below 50 and then hits that 45 mark, that's your next support. If it breaks 45, you've got 35 in the view. In the group, we have, if Elon does do that, what year do you think we are likely to see that happen? Well, you know, here's the thought we had process-wise. We said, will Elon mine the universe of its precious metals and bring the supply home to Earth and kill the price of gold? How long would that happen? I have no clue. Maybe 10 or 20 years. But by then, some of you guys are young, you know, 20s. You're going to be only 40 years old. That could be, hey, that was you that said that I shorted gold back then. I'm not telling you to short gold. I'm just saying it's an idea that popped in my brain. I mean, he's going up there. What's he going to do? He's going to mine something. You know, they're not going to just sit up there and not look for things. That's what he does. He's the Mr. Explorer. He's the entrepreneur of the decade. And he's going to find some precious metals out there. Alien gold or alien metals, different jewelry that's going to come out of it, uses for technology. You know, there's a lot that could be said with what we could find out there. And if he starts mining and finding some of that stuff, it's going to probably delete some of the value of what we have going on here for gold, silver, platinum, copper, things like that. So looking forward to seeing how that progresses in the future, and we'll see how it does. But in the meantime, keep watching, hit that share button, hit that like, follow us on all social media platforms. We hope to see you guys soon. My name's Kaylor. This is Elite Trading, pre-market prep. Love to get you on the show. If you're somebody that likes to talk about stocks, I would love to have a co-host, someone to come on and do an interview. You know, it gets boring here by myself. So if you want to join me, feel free to join. If you need help setting up a system to be able to do that, like an OBS studio, to where you can get to the point where you can actually promote or talk about yourself or business or what you're talking about for social media, then I can help you with that for free. Just let me know. I am willing to be here to help you. So thanks for coming in. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon at tomorrow's pre-market prep and in the Discord all day today. If you have any questions, feel free to jump in, hit that link in the description, and follow along.